Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Fastway's Flash Solid Steel Ball Mount, or their SSBM for short. And this is a unique offering because Fastway is typically known for their high quality aluminum mounts, and this being steel is kind of completely different. And that being steel gives us some additional strength, and that can actually get us into that commercial grade level if you need to be there. And in fact, this is rated for 20,000 pounds of toe strength and 2,000 pounds on the tongue. Now this is a forged steel option with a solid shank. It's not a hollow shank, so it's very strong and very rigid, and you're not going to have any problems with the structural integrity of this for the life of it. But also it has this nice black powder coat, which looks great. It's nice and glossy, but that's going to prevent any sort of corrosion or rust on that steel over time. Now in this configuration specifically, this is a 6-inch drop or a 7-inch lift, and it has a double ball, which most of those do. But this double ball is a 2 5/16 inch ball, and then on the bottom you have the 2-inch ball, and those are very easy to flip in and out, and it's very easy to adjust this up or down. It's something Fastway is really known for, is their ease of use in their ball mounts. Now the last thing to factor in with any Fastway ball mount is the fact that because they look so good, that's kind of a gift and a curse. The gift is that they look really good on your application, but the curse is also that they kind of have a tendency to grow legs and walk off. And because of that, Fastway has actually got a solution for you. They have these nice lockable pins, and these lockable pins are very easy to use, but what they allow you to do is lock the mount itself to your receiver tube, which is the nice front line of protection. But you also can use a second pin down at the ball level as well to give yourself kind of double security there. Okay, so on to the installation. There's really not a ton to say here, simply because if you have a 2.5-inch receiver tube, this slides right in and you put the pin in and really you're done. To operate it though, it's super simple to do. All you do is remove these pins and adjust the ball mount up or down as needed. You can even remove the pin from the receiver tube here, pull the thing out and flip it upside down if you wanted to get a lift. So really a lot of different configurations and options you have there. To flip the ball, it's just as simple. Instead of moving this up and down, you just simply flip it 180 degrees and you're really done there. Now one thing to really consider, and this is kind of a separate note, this is on their security pins. When you do go to lock and unlock this, you cannot pull the key out if it's in an unlocked position. Or what that means is, when you go to take the key out, you know that it's locked, it's nice and secure, it's not going anywhere. If the key is not pulling out, then that means a disc can still come loose in tow, can cause problems. So they've really thought of that. It's kind of a hidden feature, but when the key is still stuck in there, you are not secured, you're not ready to go. But when you pull the key out, you can rest assured knowing that this ball mount is not going anywhere. Okay, so that's a wrap on Fastway's solid steel ball mount. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to answer those for you there. Also, in the description below this video, we'll have a part number and a dealer locator, so you can find this product at a dealer near you. Now, if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.